Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip.
Well, by golly gee, we're here to pick up our win today. And if you guys didn't get a chance to see it, it's this 1982, I guess you would call semi-cabin cruiser. It's not really a cabin cruiser. We actually won this thing. Actually, I'll put an image in now. And a lot of you guys might say, well, why the hell would you buy a boat? I actually grew up around boats. I've been around boats my whole life. And this thing was a steal. Now, granted, the power plants here are probably going to be shot, if you want me to be perfectly honest with you. But the bones, what I paid for it, for the rest of this beast, I got a hell of a deal.
Hey, folks, the propeller's all fixed and we can leave the first thing in the morning.
Yeah, it works just great. Watch.
Gilligan, come back here with that.
Now, full disclosure, it is on approval, but it is why I'm here today. Because this thing is being offered by the insurance company, and we've been pissing back and forth at Copart over this boat, you know, giving each other offers back and forth since I won this boat, and nobody else has bid on it. So if you remember, the last time I think I did something like that was the Malibu, which we gave away here on the channel, right? Or giving away here on the channel. So, oh wow, I'm just, you know, like, I'm excited because, you know, we won this, and now I'm meeting with them today. You can see the little VIN number that they stamp into the hull here. I'm just excited. I'm excited because they're going to meet with me today, and we're going to work out numbers on. I'm taking this boat home today. It's happening. I already got the truck ready to go. We're gonna, you know, I'm gonna check these tires. I'm probably gonna have to top these tires off. I'm gonna get this thing out of here today and get it down to a marina where it's gonna have a once over. I'm gonna have everything checked. I want to make sure there's no cracks in the hull, something I wasn't able to see, and get an estimate of how much money it's going to cost me to get this thing back to not just its former glory. I just want to be able to take the damn thing out and put it out on the water, you know, and that's what we're going to be looking at doing. So I'm excited. I own a boat. I got it. I know I'm buying it. I know we're getting it. We've been going back and forth, and the negotiations are only like 100 or 200 bucks apart. But if I can, you know, look, I'm gonna be honest. So I can squeeze the insurance company out for another 100 or 200 bucks. I'm not going to just give away the 200 bucks. I'm going to try to get this for less. Okay, I can see one of the port windows is gone. I don't know if it comes that way or not. Probably not. I know, like I said, I'm not stupid. I know it's going to need work. You know, the bilge pump I saw was just all destroyed. Speaking of, it's going to need work. I know it's going to need work. But I'm going to get that final number today. I got about 20 minutes before they get here. And then I will give you guys an update and let you guys know where I'm at and if we got the boat.
The price is wrong, bitch.
Well, it's ours, guys. We got it. They accepted the last offer, and we were able to negotiate that deal out. So now I'm just waiting for them to give me the clearance to drive the Mamba in here. We're going to drop her right down onto the ball, right onto the trailer. And I'm going to tow this damn thing out of here. Look at that.